Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am in Dollar Tree and the first things I see, you guys, are these cute little clouds. Look at that. So cute. I see the yellow. There is a pink one back there. Hopefully I don't knock nothing over. You got the pink one. You got white. This shouldn't be up here. That should be down there somewhere. And then I see the star in white and pink, and they have these cute little moons in yellow. There's a pink one back there and blue. Those are cute. And then I do see these new little crosses in different colors. Hey you guys, they got some new Bolero. This one is coconut and rose milk plant-based soap. So that's that fragrance. I see vanilla sugar and raspberry. It says cleansing and purifying. They have the scented body lotion in both fragrances. And they do have the scented shower gel, which is kind of cool because it's clear. So there's no added colors or anything like that. Coconut and rose. They have a scented body spray for both. So these are the only two fragrances I see. You got a facial mist. That's kind of cool. I bet you this one probably smells good. They also have the shower steamers. They have the bath bombs. And what else is down here? Let's pull this out. They have a body scrub in both of those. They have a facial scrub. That's kind of cool. Moisturizing and exfoliating. And let's see, they have a foot mask, paper facial mask. Let me put that back. And then down here, you have the basic stuff that they always carry. The body wash, the hand soap. You got the facial wipes, which I always get because I love the Bolero facial wipes. They have the facial serum. Some 2-pack of hand creams. And then it repeats itself. And they have the bath soak right there. And here's a quick glimpse of the makeup section. They still have those face masks, LA Colors. There's the Sassy and Chic brushes right there. Let's see, I don't see anything else popping out at me. And you do have these over here, the under eye massagers. Oh, there's a cute little eyeshadow brush. Look at that, with the zebra print. And over in this section, they have these right here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, some cute little pom-pom balls with an elastic band. So I see pink, green. I see that gold color down there. They got some little brushes. These are cute. Oh, maybe I'll get this one and keep it in my purse because it's gold, and they got red and green. Let's see, everything else I've seen, pretty much seen before. Oh, the pom-pom balls, they got them down here too. Oh, these are clips, snap clips in that color, pink and green, to match the little pom-pom balls. Let's see what else is over here. And I think that might be it, as far as being new. So they put out a bunch of their Christmas ornaments. Look at this. It's a whole wall. So let's see. Okay, they always have the Christmas pickle. You got these little bells. The cute hat. And that one comes in plaid or all black up there. You got the snowman, red, or the black hat. You got these cute little ones right here. You get two. You can get the blue. Look at that one. That's the Santa Claus hat. That looks like a disco ball. And that one also comes in silver, way up there, but I can't reach it. If you can see that. They have the Santa with the sleigh and the snowman. And these are wood. Super cute. You got that one. Then there's one up there with the green and the red. This one is just red. You got a tree topper. this. I'm trying to make sure I don't go over anything. You got these that you can put pictures in, or Santa, or the cute gingerbread. Got the trucks. Let's see. So far I don't see anything new. This one, this set, I love those. The tree topper comes in silver or gold. And then you got these ornaments in blue, red, and gold. Let's see. These bells, gold, silver, or just plain white. You got these. This one that says believe. And then that one also comes in peace. Oh, these are cute. Little elf legs. These would be cute to do a DIY with. Oh, these are cute. You got the round one. You got the one shaped like a tree. Okay, these are new. I don't remember seeing these before. You got this one that's shaped like an ornament. And then you got the star. And this little sleigh in red or silver. You got these white reindeer. You got that copper color, or you can get the gold. Oh, these are new. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, look at these angels. So you got that one, and they got the fur for the wings. You got silver or white. Here's some more angels. These are cute. That one also comes in pink. Okay, then you see a lot of the ones that have been here. That's pretty. That one, I remember when we all went crazy for these when they first came out. So you have the white, you have gold, and then you have that pretty pink up there. And this tree topper is cute. You got the horns, different ones. And I think that might be it. You still have these in different colors. And the pretty little churches. Okay, and then down here you do have those, the big ones down there, the ones that come in the packs. And these. I like this one with the little apple. And then I see a lot of the Snuggadoo socks. I didn't see this one right here, the little flamingo with the glasses. But yeah, that is it for today in the Dollar Tree. It wasn't a whole lot. The new Bolero was kind of cool. But I'm going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye.